Today we will start the second chapter, that is the chapter exponents. Okay, exponent we standard seven we have already discussed. Now, what do you mean by exponent? Exponent means what? In short, exponent means. Now, what do you mean by exponent? Is if it like 3, 4 times. So, to make it short, we are using exponents. Like in this way, you can write with symbol like this way. So, exponent in short means, in one word, exponent is the repeated multiplication. Because we are multiplying same 3, 4 times without not writing like this way, we are writing this way in short form. This is called exponent, and this is the form of exponent in this number. This is called the base number. This is called base, that is 3 is base here, and this is called exponent or power. So how will we read this one? 3 to the power 4, 3, or we usually write this way, 3 to the power 4. So that is base, and this is exponent or power. Now, there is some rules of exponent that we have discussed in standard 7 already. Some is multiplication rule, rules of exponents. Rules of exponent. First is multiplication. I am writing in using symbols. Then we will extract in with nouns. A to the power n into b to the power n. Not a to the power n into first a to the power n. That is a multiplied n times into a multiplied n times, because now here this will be a to the power n plus n. That is, if the base are same, exponents are different. If we multiply, we will add the exponents only. Now, if this is with example like 4 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 5, both base are same, exponent. This will be 4 to the power 3 plus 5, that is 4 to the power 8. Now, how we are getting this one? We can easily check this one. 4 to the power 3 means what? 4 3 times into 4 5 times. Now total how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 8 times, that is 4 to the power 8. This is the definition of exponents. So if with this one also, if you write a n times, total how many times here are there? n plus n times. So a to the power n plus into a to the power n, that is a to the power n plus n. Now similarly with this one, if we take in the form of fraction, like a by b to the power, I am taking first a by b to the power n. So this is the whole thing as this. This is the whole a by b is as this. This will be a by b whole to the power same thing, n plus n. With the example, this will be like 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 into 2 by 3 whole square. So this will be 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 plus 2, that is 6. So 2 by 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 2, is 2 by 3 to the power 6. So this is the rule for multiplication. Now if we come to division. Second is division. A to the power n divided by a to the power n. A to the power n, where n is greater than n. Now this one will be how? So here will be a to the power n by a to the power n. Now this one a to the power n, how can I write this one? A into a into a into a. How many times? N times. Now a to the power a into a into a. there are more a than in lower. Then we can count like this way, this way, this way. All in how many a will be left? This will be left. All this in a will cut. Still here should be some more a. That will be how many? That more a, how many more a there? A minus n times. So this will be a into a. How many times a will be there? A minus n times the left over. So that is a to the power a minus n. So a to the power n divided by a to the power n, it will be a to the power a minus n. That is, we will just subtract the powers. Okay, similarly with fraction also in rational numbers, a by b whole to the power n divided by a by b whole to the power n. This will be a by b whole to the power n minus n, where m is more than n. Okay, that is division. This is the simple rule in division. Now another thing is power of power. That is, if a to the power n whole to the power n, we will read this way: a to the power n whole to the power n. That is, now how we do this? So first take this is at the base. This is a to the power n is base. N is, that means a to the power n multiplied how many times? N times. So we are multiplying a to the power n times. So what is the rule of in multiplication? We just, so a to the power, just add the power a to the power n plus how many times? N times we add. We'll add how many times in? 1 times, 2 times, 3, 4, 5. How many times? N times are there. So m will be added n times. So m added n times, that means n multiplied by n. So n into n. So a to the power n, to the power n, whole to the power n, that is a to the power n into n. That is, we will just multiply the powers. Okay. Now we will discuss about negative powers. Negative powers means, now if we like this, we will know 2 to the power 2. That means 2 into 2, 4. This is positive power, because now if there is something like 2 to the power minus 2. So this is new, but this is also a power 2 to the power minus 2. So what does it mean? So what is this? For this one, now I have some example like this. Now 2 to the power 3, we know 2 into 2, 3 times, that is 8. Now 2 to the power 4, but now comes 2 to the power 2, that means what? Half, that is 2 to the power, that is 4, 4 how can write? Half of 8. Now 2 to the power 1, that is we know 2, that is how can I write? Half of 4. Now we are reducing the powers. 3, 2, 1, then how? It will be 0. So 0 what will be? 0 will be, if you come in like this, so half of 8, the previous one, half of 4, the previous one, then it will be half of 2. So half of 2, 2 will be 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. Now if we reduce again, 2 to the power minus 1. So what will be this one? As 2 to the power minus 1 will be what? Half of this previous one. So this will be half of 1. So half of 1 means that is half. Now 2 to the power minus 2 will be what? Half of half. Half of half. That is 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 how can I write? 2 to the power 1 by 2. 4 we can write 2 square. So 1 by 2 square. Now similarly like this way, 2 to the power minus 3 will be 1. Half of 1 by 4, that is 1 by 8, that is 1 by 2 to the power 8 to 3. So similarly in this way you can write like this way, 2 to the power minus 10 will be what? Now there is a similarly here, 2 to the power minus 2, then 2. Minus 3, here 3. So this way what will be? 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 10. So for this one, now here 2 is not there. If this is a, so a to the power like this way, 2 will be replaced by a. So from here we can conclude in general a to the power minus a. Now a in general here also it will be 1 by a to the power a. Now another interesting thing is that we have discussed here. 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 2 to the power anything power 0 is 1. So from here also we can write a to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so remember this one. A to the power minus a to the power equals to 1 by a to the power n. Now a to the power 0 is 1. We have proved like this way. We can prove in another way also. For any number a to the power 0 is 1. Now a to the power 0 is 1. We have to prove this one. Now a to the power 0 how can write? A to the power k minus k. That k is an integer. So k minus k. So 0 we are writing this way. Now we know a to the power k minus k. We are back calculating. A to the power k divided by a to the power k. Right. From here we can write this one. So from this line also we can write this one. So a to the power k minus k equals a to the power k divided by now this can say so it is 1. A to the power 0 is equals to 1. We have proved. Okay. A to the power now discuss one problem from your book. Okay. Simplify this expression. So we know already. So now 4 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1. Now 4 to the power minus 1 that means that is what? A to the power minus n form where a is 4, n is 1. So this one will be 1 by a to the power. So 4 to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 4 to the power 1 that is 1 by 4. So similarly 4 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 4. A to the power minus 1 will be a to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 8. Okay, so 1 by this is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Then we will divide it by 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1. So similarly 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 2 by 3 whole to the power 1 that is like this way. So 2 by 3 1 by 2 by 3 that is just to be reciprocal of this one. So 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 equals to 3 by 2. So this one equals to 3 by 2. Now you can simplify easily. So 8 will be like LCM. There will be 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2. That is 3 by 8 multiplied by 2 by 2. So this 3 will be part. This 2, 4. That is 1 by 4. So the simplest form of this one is 1 by